Yo, what's up? Welcome back to yet another reaction. Just because I just reacted to a hip hop song from Zambia, I was like, okay, I gotta react to a hip hop song from Botswana. So, if you want to know about this guy I'm about to react to, Bishop BW, you gotta check out one of the interviews that we did. I actually wanted to do like interview type of a thing on my other channel, so that kind of didn't work out. And it's business. If the business does not work out, you just gotta let it go and rebuild and maybe try again. But who knows when I'm gonna have another conversation with this brother, man. And yo, I think you guys are gonna love this. Okay, so please go check out Bishop BW on YouTube Music. Yes, he is as big as a bishop. Can I say that? He has a song with Rick Ross. That's how big he is. And from Botswana, I couldn't be prouder reacting to this one. Knowing that I know him personally, and yeah, let's get to it.
That's right.
Yeah, let's go.
Yeah, y'all thought I was gone, huh? Bishop, what up? Finally got fella on the beat.
Hey.
Yeah, cold flow saying.
Yo, fella is like one of the biggest producers out there in Botswana, so it's a big deal to collaborate with a big deal.
Worry about the heat. Lesilo, rula. Self-made, unchained dog, I was never on the leash. Landlord, I was never on the lease. Explain why we was never on the list. I mean, we're still the hardest working in the game. We still need to be still. Watch these niggas tryna make a wish. You wish to see me gone, nigga, I'm back in the hood.
Yeah, man, it's just okay. I gotta take it back.
I was never on the list. I mean, we're still the hardest working in the game. We still need to be still. Watch these niggas tryna make a wish. You wish to see me gone, nigga, I'm back in the hood. Fella, Lesilo, rula. I'm back in the
like hip hop sometimes can be so serious, so it's always good to hear or listen to a hip hop song that is not it's serious but it's also not so serious because of what he's doing there. So if you don't know the reference, then you might not appreciate this song as much as you should. Okay, Lesilo is one of the was it a movie or was it a show? I think it was a movie like back then from South Africa. So one of the first few movies that we watched as Botswana, hearing other people speaking Tswana on those old cassette tapes, and you were just like, this is a scary thing, but I gotta watch it because they're saying things that I understand. So yeah, go watch Lesilo. I'm pretty sure it's somewhere on YouTube. Like a classic South African scary type of a thing. Anyway, now you know what the chorus is.
Lesilo, rula. I'm back in the hood. Fella, click, there you go, yeah, you know what to do about you. They tell me where the haters at about you. Yeah, we ready for 'em. Tell the whole world that we headed for 'em. Don't forget to tell the papers that Bishop, what is where you headed from. Very calm, clever, huh? Thought 'cause I left you the head of town. Silly clowns, when will you land? That's I'm the one that's destined to carry the heavy crowns. 100 pounds on my head, bounce when I had it bounce. Bounce when they hit the rounds for my lid, I was gonna let it bounce. I was gonna let it bounce till I heard your niggas got an ounce on my bread. Hit fella up on the banner, pulled them Air Force Ones from my bed. Mask on my head, gun on my leg, y'all niggas better run. Y'all niggas better run, 'cause Big Dog is back in the hood.
Hey. Yeah, these are one of the hip hop artists that you don't want to be on their bad side, like you have to be on his good side because I feel like he's very smart, like just in general, and I feel like he can just do a wordplay that will confuse everybody. Like you will not stand a chance, and yeah, I've like if he's threatening you, just apologize. This is like a Kendrick Lamar type of situation. Okay, you don't wanna argue with a smart person. Like if you feel like he's throwing a jab at you, don't just like ignore it. Go about your day. Hey. I'm back in the hood. Click, click. There you go. Yeah, you know what like to do about the gun. Click, click. Yo, fella did his thing there, man. I gotta big out to BW. Fella did his thing. Obviously, Bishop BW, one of the big guys, like I said, yeah, this is one of those people that, if he's saying something, just like ignore it. You didn't hear anything. Everything is okay. You're cool with him. Ask for a feature because I feel like, yeah, he's one of those people that would ruin your career. I don't know. I just have that feeling. Okay, he's a good guy. He's a good guy. So thank you so much for checking this out. Please go check out Bishop BW on YouTube Music, on YouTube, on every platform. His music is out there. This is his second album, if I'm not mistaken. And yeah, man, all fire. Like, if you want to be a hip hop artist, you should listen to this guy because you will learn a lot. Okay, so yeah, thank you so much for watching this. I will see you guys on the other side. If you're here for the first time, smash that subscribe button, hit that notification bell too so you don't miss any of the uploads on this channel, and hit that like button. It is for the algorithm. I'll see you guys on the other side.